Is your smart TV internet very slow? Videos keep buffering, apps take forever to open. Even though your Wi-Fi looks fine, this problem is common, but you can fix it with the right steps. Step 1. Restart TV and router. This removes temporary network glitches. Turn off your TV, unplug it from power, wait 60 seconds. Now unplug your router, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back, turn on your TV again. Step 2. Switch Wi-Fi band, wrong band causes slow speed. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Wi-Fi. Connect to 5 GHz network if available. Use 2.4 GHz only for long distance. Use 5 GHz for faster speed. Step 3. Move router closer. Distance and obstacles reduce speed. Place router in open area. Avoid walls, metal, and electronics nearby. Keep TV and router within clear line of sight if possible. Step 4. Use Ethernet cable. This is the most stable solution. Connect LAN cable from router to TV. Disable Wi-Fi after connecting. This gives maximum speed and zero interference. Step 5. Change DNS settings. This improves app loading speed. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Advanced Settings. Select DNS settings. Choose Manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Save and restart your TV. Step 6. Update TV software. Old software slows down performance. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then select Software Update. Install latest version. Step 7. Clear cache and unused apps. Low memory causes slow internet response. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select Apps. Clear cache. Delete unused apps. Keep enough free storage space. Step 8. Reduce network congestion. Too many devices slow down Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused devices from Wi-Fi. Pause downloads on other devices. Use router quality of service if available. Step 9. Adjust router settings. Advanced users can improve performance. Log into your router. Set channel to auto or least crowded channel. Enable QoS for your TV. Restart router after changes. Step 10. Factory reset as last option. Use only if nothing works. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Reset. Confirm and wait. This clears all system and network errors. If your smart TV internet is still slow, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Follow these steps and your smart TV will run fast and smooth with stable internet every time.